So let's do a scheduled post now, just so we can show you what that looks like. So I'm going to do happy hump day. What is everyone working on today? Anything I can help with, right? Maybe put your hashtags, maybe do whatever. Maybe just put it like it's just an actual question from a real human. Right, I'm not sure I'd ever put happy hump day. Where am I going to put it? My business profile, because it's Happy Me's kind of a fun Facebook page. I can't post that to Twitter, to Instagram, unless I post a picture. So I would have to get some sort of hump camel thing. Post it to my Twitter, and again, Drink with Paul is a charity thing I do, just a bit of fun. So that is going to go to these three profiles, and I'm going to schedule it for later. I'm going to schedule it for Wednesday at 10. When will people be about most happy? Let's do 11:05, right? Let's put it out at a funky time when people are probably having a coffee, getting onto the day, and seeing what's happening. So I'm going to schedule it for tomorrow, and schedule free and reuse networks, right? Schedule and duplicate. So this is what I like. I'd like to send it out every week if I can. You can now edit your duplicated post. So that one's scheduled next week. There might be an easier way of doing this. I haven't really looked into it. So this one I'm going to put out for the 2nd at 11:15. Right? Schedule and duplicate, or just schedule. Oh, did I do it? Your message has been scheduled. Yeah. I didn't mean to click on it then, but I did, right? So now when I go to my calendar and I see failed to retrieve content, oh yeah, you're falling over. Let's have a look. When I go to my calendar, I'm hoping to see 11:05 on Wednesday, and you can change your plan. You can change the settings here. If you want it to be a more expanded, where you see hour by hour. If you want Sunday to be your first day of the week, or you want a condensed. So you see now, I've got 3 things posted tomorrow at 11:05. Next week, again, 11:15. And you're going to be able to schedule your posts. You're going to be able to schedule everything so that you can see, what have I got going out? You know, I'm busy Thursday. Why don't I schedule a few posts for Thursday? Right, click on it, post. Schedule for Thursday. Schedule something for Friday. Let's post something 5 o'clock Friday. So I can pick this one, recently used. Same thing. Have a great weekend all. What are you up to this bank holiday? I'll put UK. Question mark, right? Friday, and I'm going to schedule it for close to the end of the day. Let's go 4:35 p.m. schedule. Right, so there's my schedule for Friday. So now I'm building out my week. You know, you can do this on your first coffee on a Monday morning. Build out your week's social media. Save yourself some time. Let your team see. If you've got other people, I see Paul's posted. Paul's posted stuff Friday. So I've got Tuesday. I've got 2 posts to do Tuesday. Right? Oh, Instagram story. I'm not even sure you could do that. Stories can be sent using publish via... Oh, you can do the stories, but you've got to send it to your mobile. You can't post a story. So that's scheduling. I looked into a bit, right?